So PO release only at the header level. Okay, there is no concept like item by item release or something like that. PO is a total
Yes, sir.
and PO is an external document. Therefore, it is PO in total you are sending to the supplier or vendor. Okay, so first step is was steps are same only like PR only. We need
Okay, sir.
to take characteristics CT04. So what are the criteria is there? You need to create that as a characteristics in CT04. Create class and assign that particular characteristics to the class.
Class. Yes, sir.
So this is the first step. This is the second step. Assign that class to the release group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Actually, the release group you are grouping the approvers. Okay. If finance,
Yes, sir.
you need to group finance department separately and production department separately, or HR department separately. Then for that separate group, we need to create it, and approvers are different. Okay, that is the main purpose of creating the group. Then you need to create release codes, which is as per the approvers. Release codes you have to assign to this particular group. Then comes to release indicator. Releasing indicator, we are not doing anything is standard, we are keeping as it is. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
but some control further I will tell you later. So after that, we can say that we are maintaining the release indicator, you know, for the release and when PO is not released, both. Okay, two indicator is needed: whole PO release and whole PO not release.
Yes, sir.
Then we're creating release strategies. Okay.
6 steps. Yes, sir.
After that important step, that what you're doing in after the configuration, finally what we'll do, do you remember?
So
After the configuration, what will we do? Final step.
after Like if we'll configure that numbers, we will check the details and check the numbers. Like assign, we will enter serial number in.
Uh, I'm talking about release procedure. In PR release procedure, okay, your same step you are following. That you're, uh, you're, you're creating characteristics, assigning to the
Yes, sir.
class. The class you are linking to the release groups. Okay,
Yes, sir.
the release group will create the release code and will assign
Read code.
release groups. Then release indicator we will maintain for the whole release of PO and not released POs.
Yes, sir. It depends on manager, senior manager, and
Yeah.
with the
Then
team.
finally, we will create that release strategies. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Finally, the release strategy. So in the release strategy, based on the release group and the code, we will maintain that release strategy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
we come to the final step. Okay. Here what we are exactly are doing in CL20.
We are. y-
Yeah. In CL24 and what exactly we are doing. What are the
We will. We will check we will check approvals, sir, and if status is approved, then we will like status if status is released, then only we will release that.
no, no, that I'm talking about CL24N. In CL24N, what exactly you'll be doing?
We will check na sir status in CL24N.
In CL24N, what exactly you're doing is you're activating your exact what is the exact characteristics value for
Okay, yes, sir.
this group and release strategies. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell like that. So when you're presenting, so you know the release strategy steps. You're
Yes, sir.
uh, step by step here. Okay. So this is a this. Create characteristics in CT04, assign to the class CL02, assign the class to the release group.
Release group.
Okay, maintain the release codes for this release group
Yes, sir.
and maintain the two indicator. One is for the PO release and unrelease or PO block. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
create the release strategy in combination of the group and the code. Okay, then
Yes, sir.
maintain the step like release prerequisite and release status. Okay, that is it.
Okay.
Okay, then save the configuration. Once you're done with the configuration, then you have to do the master data maintenance, means activating the exact value of release strategies. That means in this step what we are doing is exact characteristics value for your release group and
Release group.
strategies you will maintain. Okay, means
Yes, sir.
for example, level 1 release strategy, release group is GR. Then what is the exact characteristics value you are linking?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to tell this step like this when you have to present it like this.
Okay, sir.
Now, coming to the configurations. So level, how many levels are there? And here, what is the criteria? Separate
3 levels, sir.
view. It may be up to 8 levels is the maximum. Okay, it is not always.
Yeah, maximum 8 levels, but here we are representing only 3 levels only now,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Say for example, document type and land and the value. Okay, we'll take only 3 criteria. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
who are the approvers and groups. What is the release groups?
Yes, sir.
And you can say code. Okay, so this type of matrix you should have. Okay, then okay, so say for example level 1, L1. Now PO document types. So what document type we created? So we need to check here. So in the last class, we have created some document type.
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Like groups or ZDDM.
Yeah, ZDDMM, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is a document type. ZD,
MM.
ZDMM. I'll take Brantley 101 and value 0 to 10,000. Approvals manager. Okay, we'll take
Yes, sir.
group. Okay, R1. We'll take code. Say for example, it is level 1, 11. L2 ZDMM P101 10,000.
10,000 to 20,000.
Yeah. So it is for practice purpose. Okay, it is not that all.
Yes, sir.
It depends upon the okay business.
Yes, sir.
Second level. 1. Level 3, ZDMM P101. Say for example, it is greater than 20,000. Okay, SCM manager. Okay, so I created 3 levels. Okay, and maintain it with the matrix. So accordingly, we will configure.
Yes, sir.
So first step is to create what is the criteria. CTC.
Characteristic.
Yeah. Now, what is our criteria? Document type, plant, and value.
Yes, sir.
So, EVO.
Space, doc, space, type.
Yeah, it may be anything. It did not need not be the same one, or you can create your own.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Come to that.
I created a type 2, and I have entered another code, sir.
Okay.
Like first class in that with classification also this step is same, sir. So I practice that.
Okay. That is a PR. Okay, that one, right? Okay, we'll create a new separate one. Okay. Oh, this is PO, right? I mentioned as a PO. Is that PO underscore doc underscore type?
Yes, sir.
That is for the PR we have done it, right?
PR, yeah.
So, okay, no clash. Okay, create additional data. Now here communication structure for the PO release is CEKKO. Okay. And for PR it is CEBAN. For PO it is CEKKO.
CEKKO, yes, sir.
So SC11, yeah, if you go SC11, this T code, then CEKKO. CEKKO. So document types means order type, this one. Okay. This is
Yes, sir.
BSART. Okay, BSART. This field name, this table, you have to structure name you need to enter here. For the PO, it is CEKKO.
Yes, sir.
For all purchasing document like PO, RFQs, track and scheduling. Click on enter. Enter. Okay, you need to select the multiple values. Okay, and just click on
Yes, sir.
change. You can change it. Always select multiple values here. Okay, and save. Enter. Then plant. Click on create.
Add data.
CKK1, PKO, WERKS. So plant field,
Yes.
yeah, plant field is same. Okay,
Yes, sir.
enter, multiple values, save.
Yes, sir.
Then value.
Create.
Yeah. Additional data.
Yes. Ready.
CKKO. Then for the total value, you need to come here. But to check, you will get it which field you can choose. You have to choose from this particular.
Value only.
It is a net order value.
Yes, sir.
Net order value, that is NETW. Okay.
Yes, sir. Here item by item is not there, na, sir.
No. Item by item is not.
Yes, sir.
Header level.
Yeah.
So this is a field. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Enter. Currency,
EURO.
multiple values, intervals.
Yes, sir.
List one
Yes, sir.
for the value. Save. Enter. Now assign these characteristics to the class CL02 ZPO underscore
Space underscore class 1 and
032 is the class type is for the release strategies.
yes, sir.
Sometimes they'll ask. Okay. Create. So it is for the PO release.
Yes, sir.
Then click on the characteristics tab and
Characteristics.
here you need to assign
Yes, sir.
ZPO underscore doc so type 1.
Enter.
ZPO underscore doc underscore plant.
Plant. Enter.
ZPO underscore doc underscore.
Doc underscore value. Enter.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then save it. So create characteristics, assign the characteristics to the class.
Yes, sir.
Now come to the SPR.
SPR. SAP.
SFE reference IMG.
Yes, sir. Enterprise.
Then materials management.
Oh.
Then purchasing,
Yes, sir.
purchase order. Release procedure for purchase order. Define
Yes, sir.
for purchase order.
Release group.
Then click on the release group. Since already class is there, so I'm just deleting to bring our own class. Okay, somebody is created.
Yes, sir.
But in the real time, don't do anything. Always so the first system is all will be blank. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
here header level only one class. There is no item level, nothing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We
Yeah.
cannot create two class or header level. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For existing class, you need to delete means for your practice purpose, not for the ideal.
Yeah.
Just deleting. Okay. Save it. Click on new entries and release groups. R1 class Z
PRO.
ZPO.
Yeah, ZPO. Yes, sir. PO release.
Same class, many groups we can do it, but
Yes, sir.
people class is not possible. Come back. Release codes. Real time, don't delete it. For practice purpose only, I'm deleting this.
Yes, sir.
Look on inventory. First approver, manager, R1,
Senior manager.
second level, R1, save.
Yes, sir.
Come back. Release indicator. So you have to maintain block 1 and release 1. Either changeable 5 is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of this is if you increase the price, then it will, for example, PO is created, the PO is released. Again, user will come and change the price of the PO.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that price is more than the PO what we released it. Then it will go for re-release. Okay. Release will
Yes, sir.
automatically it will cancel and it will go for re-release. So that is the meaning of this.
Okay, sir.
You can try with all the indicator.
Okay, sir.
Come back. Then come to the release strategies. Click on inventory. Release group is R1.
Yes, sir.
Release strategy. Okay, then take it as level 1. For level 1. And code. It is for manager. Release prerequisites.
Release. Yes, sir.
No, there is no prerequisite here.
Continue.
Release status. First level release is
Release.
it.
Yeah.
Continue.
Continue.
Save. Come back. Click on new entries. R1. A2. Level 2.
Yes, sir.
11 and 12. First level and second level. Okay, level 2. Release prerequisites. Before 12 to release, 11 is the prerequisites. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Continue release status.
Release status.
If both release it, then only release. Remains
Yes, sir.
continue. Save. Release group R1. Level 1. Level 2.
Yes, sir.
Level 3. Prerequisites. For second level to release the first level is the prerequisites. For third level to release the first and second is the prerequisites. Continue. Click on release status. All release.
Yes, sir.
Rest of this blocked. Continue. These steps we need to follow as a considerations. So we are at this step. We created characteristics. We created
Class
then link the class to
release group.
the release group of indicator approach, and we made the release strategy in terms of groups and what are the codes related to that groups.
Yes, sir.
So final step is CL24N. So here actually you're activating your release strategies. Okay, click on new assignment. Enter. So what is your release group R1? Level 1, so A1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then characteristics is PO document type, the DMM. And P101. In the order value, what is the first hierarchy? Accordingly, you need to write this.
Yes, sir.
Enter. Enter. Save.
Yes, sir.
So it is for the level 1. You entered value this much, plant and all. Now click on new assignment. The release strategies.
Release strategy.
Tab. This group is R1. Release strategies A2. Order type ZDMM. Enter. Plant P101.
And
Value
10,000.
to 20,000.
Yes, sir. Save.
Click on assignment. Release strategy.
Real strategy.
Release group R1 strategy.
Yes, sir.
Order type. Net order value.
Yes, sir.
So it is for the level 3 greater than 20,000.
20,000. Yeah.
Enter. Continue. Enter.
Save.
So we activated the release strategies. Now let us see. So level 3 level override. MA21M. ZD MM.
MM.
Okay.
Plant. P1. P10. Why it is showing this? With existing file, we can't do, sir.
Existing you can do. Existing, no, we activated here ZDMM, right? So
Yes, sir.
terms, I think some other field is activated as a mandatory entry. So we could check SPR. think this is
Icotons two-part Incoterm.
it is referring some other field. Now I removed, make it optional entry. Let me check it. I have to come back. So now we create PO. With document type ZD.
DMM. Client.
So release strategy will be triggered at the top.
Yes, sir.
So 9.9 and this is 1000. So 9900.
Yes, sir.
Less than 10,000 first level. Now 2000. 2000 9.9, something around 18,000 plus.
Yes, sir.
20,000. Now you can say 3,000. Three level triggers.
Yes, sir.
Save.
Created.
Yeah. Now release purchase order ME 54N. ME 54 29N.
Okay, sir.
PO release MA 29N.
Yes, sir.
Release it, manager,
Yes.
serial manager. SCM manager.
Yes, sir.
Save.
Save.
So this is the complete
Approved.